Hi Cookie fans, welcome back to our channel. So this is my final video of 2020 and Cookie fans' first Christmas. Wow, I'm so excited. It's been a year since we started this huge YouTube channel and it's our first year, and next year we're going to have some exciting videos. But for our final video, I wanted the most exciting thing. We are in Canary Wharf and we are in the Alice in Wonderland land. So let's go and explore the Alice in Wonderland garden. As you can see behind me, it says take some more tea, 10 out of 6. I wonder what that means. Let's go that way and continue on our path. It's always tea time. I agree, it is always tea time. How about we keep on going down the path of Beauty Nurse? Oh, look at this eyeball. Very freaky. Oh, some chess pieces. I play chess myself. I've never seen chess pieces these colourful. Wow, I just love the colours. They're so incredible. Oh, look. Okay, Cookie fans, there's a huge arrow over there. I don't know which way to go. Where should I go? Let's go there. Where I go, Cookie fans, there's either going to Diamonds or going to the other place. Which way? I think let's go that way near the googly eyes. Let's go. I'm on an adventure. Magical. It's almost 2 o'clock. That means almost tea time. Okay, let me fix my hat and I'm now ready to carry on. Hello, googly eye. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay. There's nothing down there anymore. So let's go over there. Look what I found. Some talking mushrooms. I've never seen talking mushrooms before. This world is incredible. Let's go down that path. I see the Queen. Let's go. Look at the Queen and her guards. Wow. Hello, Queen. Bye-bye. I've got to go see your king. Okay, let's keep on going down the path to the end of the adventure. Oh, here's the king. The king's over here in pink. I love your colour. Very suitable. Another direction arrow. Should we keep going on forward or keep on going backwards? Let's go that way instead. And that's definitely right away. This is the king's brother. Very interesting prince. Oh, some more princess. Oh, the Queen of Hearts. She makes some tarts. Very nice poem. All on a summer's day. Wow. Very beautiful dress. Or shirt, King. Very beautiful indeed. Let's go over there. All on a summer's day. The Queen of Hearts made some tarts all on a summer's day. Very good poem. Okay, let's go down that way. And go on until you come to the end, then stop. Look over there! The famous, one-of-a-kind, the Alice Wonderland drink me bottles. I wonder what these ones will do. Will they make me smaller or will they make me larger? I don't know. But another prince. The Knave of Hearts. He stole those tarts. Wow. Let's keep on going that way. I found begin at the beginning. What's this prince trying to tell me? Let's keep on going down the path anyway. Head this way. What are you trying to tell me? This land is full of poetry and unmade sentences. Look, have we come to the beginning? We have. Well, that makes sense why they say go back to the beginning. Look over there, a photo booth. But there's a queue, so let me wait. This land is incredible. I'd recommend you go to Canary Wharf, and this is on top of Waitrose. Very. You Cookie fans, we've come back to the beginning of the long path. No, I got there's a photo booth. Go on my Instagram and you will see my photos. It's Cookie Fan TV Instagram. Okay, this is the final video of the year, Cookie Fan. So I'm really sorry, but I'll see you next year. Happy New Year!